know it go Joshua and them vibes and come on and say what you say, bro. And I'm on me with Joshua say too. You get what I say, my brother? Yeah, man. And we can't kill the youth, cause you don't know dog and them vibe, bro. You get what I say?
Fresh
Cause
drop.
bag of people link me ask me, what go on, DJ. Nothing at all no go on. You hear that? Nothing at all no go on, my people or something. I mean, and the organizers, them have a little jump off. You hear that? That's something we always go on. You know what I mean? Some of us go out there on a dark mood. Big up Vybz Kartel, you hear that? So some little frowns them out, boy. Nothing will come and a chat up in mouth. You waste man, nothing. You boy and have nothing in your life. You hear that? You fall back. You can't style man, boy. I'm rich from in my 20s. You hear that? And they are still a whole moon and still I make millions. You hear that? The thing never drop. When you look at yes man, you company media and make it look like say man style cartel or man in a vibe cartel. When I waste man, the whole on. You hear that? Every some fest I go, I say my baddest DJ. Every time. Every stage show, I still big up Vybz Kartel. So you know about that twist up man thing and make it look like Ray. Some fest know say me and them have a little Ray. You understand? Follow back a boy enough you chat up in mouth. You waste man nothing. You have nothing in a life fool. Remember say I beg me for run back on me and style you. You hear that? Cause me in a way bro. Me a big friend. You hear that? As me tell you no big up cartel, nothing no go on a some fest. You hear that my people? A one side favor and big up on yourself. Some boy just love mix up. I love controversy. Company internet on the bag. Like when you can intimidate man, brother. When you go and spread peace and unity, you hear that? Cause I'm a fool dog. I chat up on the mouth. You don't want to see youths rise boy dog.
Fresh
get what me
drop.
say? Every song fest I go burn my fire. Every stage show I burn my fire, bro. You get me? No for your waste man. Big up your fans them. You hear that? And big up your people them too. You get what I say? You have to know that. Get me? So in the bagger, spread the bagger rumor, bro. You see it? Yeah man. Up on entry, the man them stay sad. Go like them I want to let in my people them and may just jump off, bro. You get me? Me not even see one artist I reggae some fest, bro. You get what I say? So you just stop yapping and the chatting, waste man nothing and spread propaganda. You waste man and you job that enough to talk, you know. You get what I say and follow back man and chat foolish. You hear that? Yeah man, I just said the big up yourself Vybz Kartel every time. You get me? Riches. You know what I mean? I just said the bro. Waste man in a company media and I spread rumors, so I'm looking follow back a boy. You get what I say? Now waste man bro. Is it? One dancehall or one music. You hear that? One side. Big up on yourself people. Get what I say? Yeah man, big up the Gaza. One side. You get what I say? We don't know about that switch up man thing. I make you feel like say yo Ray. You get me? Yeah man. You know it go Joshua and them vibes and come on and say what you say bro. And I'm on me with Joshua say too. You get what I say my brother? Yeah man. And we can't kill the youth cause you don't know dog and them vibe bro. You get what I say? So you know about that company media and switch up nothing. Like so you know what I go on. You don't know what I go on. Waste man nothing. You hear that? You follow back a frowns them out, boy. You hear that? Shut up your mouth on media like you can't style, man. You can't style, man. You know how much thing man want in a life, boy, from your juvenile. I not even my style, but you know what thing go. Big up on yourself, people. You hear that? I love our riches every time. You know it already. One, you hear that?